In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a document for a particular assignment, trying to fit more content onto a single page, or just looking to align your text nicely within your Google Doc, managing your margins is key. Let me walk you through the process. First, you'll want to start by opening your document in Google Docs. Once you've got your document open and ready, take your cursor and head over to the top menu. You'll see a series of options up there. Look for the one labeled File. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and select Page Setup. This is where all the magic happens for adjusting margins, paper size, orientation, and more. Once you click on Page Setup, a dialog box will immediately pop up in the center of your screen. This box is your control center for setting up your document's layout to your liking. Inside this dialog box, you will notice 4 boxes labeled Top, Bottom, Left, and Right. These are your margin settings. To change the margins, simply click inside one of these boxes and enter a new value that suits your needs. You can enter the value in either inches or centimeters, depending on which metric you're comfortable with. Google Docs will adjust automatically to your preferred choice. If you're unsure about what the values should be, a typical margin size for standard documents is about 1 inch. But this can vary depending on your specific needs or the requirements you might need to adhere to for a particular document. After you've entered the new values for your margins, make sure you've double-checked them. Once you're satisfied with the numbers you've entered, go ahead and click OK. This will apply the changes to the document you're currently working on, and you'll see the text adjust according to the settings you've specified. If you find yourself frequently adjusting margins to the same values for many documents, Google Docs has a handy feature that can save you some time. If you'd like the new margin settings to apply automatically to all new documents you create in the future, you can click the Set as Default button in this same Page Setup dialog box before you hit OK. This action will set these margin preferences as the default template for any new Google Docs that you start, streamlining your document creation process significantly. And there you have it. Your Google Docs are now precisely formatted based on the margin settings you prefer. This adjustment helps ensure your documents look polished and professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your document formatting in Google Docs.